Oatmeal is a great way to start the day, and today we're doing an Asian-inspired savory oatmeal packed full of umami, fresh herbs, and topped with a nice 63-degree poached egg. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Chef Tuan, and today we are back in the kitchen and we're going to be taking some oatmeal and we're going to transform it into something savory and super delicious. Now, we're going to be doing a play on Chinese congee, which is a savory rice porridge or rice soup, but instead of using rice, we're going to be using oatmeal. And then we're also going to be putting a 63-degree egg or a poached egg, whichever is easier for you, on top and dress it with some herbs and chili oil and fried garlic. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. It would really help me out and help out this channel. All right guys, let's get started. I'm making a really healthy portion, enough for one person. So you're going to start off with 70 grams of oats. Then take 2 scallions, trim off the bottom, and then we're going to thinly slice the entire stalks. I'm going to be going the classic Asian flavor route with just scallions and cilantro. Now, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. So here you can see I have some fried garlic, some chili oil. This right here is mushroom powder or mushroom granules that I can use to make an instant mushroom stock, as well as our 70 grams of oats. And then here I have a 63-degree egg that I sous vide earlier, or you can go ahead and use a poached egg. Now this is 2 cups of just plain water, and I have this mushroom powder, which is going to make a very quick and easy mushroom stock. Now you can go ahead and use vegetable stock or whatever kind of stock you want, but 2 cups of liquid is what you want to start out with. You know, in Italian kitchens, everyone has a wooden spoon with a burn mark on it. Well, in Asian kitchens, everyone should have chopsticks with burn marks on it. That's how you know you're legit. Now this dish is very quick and easy. As soon as this comes up to boil, we're gonna pour in our oats, give it a quick stir, and turn off the heat and let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now as you can see, the stock is coming up to a boil, and that is when you're gonna add your oats. Just add them all in there at the same time. Give it a nice quick stir. Now, because the oats have a lot of, what do you call it, like flour or milled stuff on it, or oatmeal dust, I guess, it's gonna create some foam, and you're gonna wanna scoop that out. So once it comes up to a boil, just like this, all the foam's gonna come into the middle. And now just turn off the heat, and now you can use a spoon just to skim off this foam. Or you don't, you know, it's up to you. If you don't want to skim it, you can just leave it. But if you want to, then go ahead. It won't hurt it either way. So all you want to do now is just let these oats steep and absorb all that mushroom stock. Now after about a few minutes or so, you want to give this a stir to make sure that everything, or that nothing is stuck to the bottom. As you can see, the oats are starting to plump up a bit. Now it's going to thicken up to a really nice congee or like porridge-like consistency. You can definitely add less oats if you want it more soupy, and you can definitely add more oats if you want it more thick, like a traditional thick oatmeal. So after about 10 minutes, you see how it's just nice and thick. Like, this is the consistency I like for my congee. And like I said before, if you want it more thick, add more oatmeal. If you want it more thin, add less oatmeal. But this is ready to plate. All right, let's dish this up. Get yourself a nice bowl and pour all the oatmeal into it. So as you can see, I did not add any salt because the mushroom powder that I used, the amount that I used already has enough sodium in there for my taste. But if you're gonna use chicken stock or any other kind of stock, go ahead and give this a taste and add more salt to your liking. And I'm laying down a bed of the fried garlic and scallions to make a little nest for my sous vide egg. Now, if you're using a poached egg or a soft-boiled egg, same technique applies. Then I'm gonna garnish with the cilantro leaves, and I'm gonna add a little bit more umami with a touch of tamari. Regular or light soy sauce will do as well. Then I'm going to add a little drizzle of sesame oil just to give it a little bit more flavor. And then I have here some homemade chili oil, which in the future I will be making a video so that way you can have a jar of it in your pantry at all times. Now look at this beautiful hearty bowl of oatmeal that we just made. This isn't just limited to breakfast. You can have this for lunch, on the weekend, a great brunch item as well. You know, go in, dig in, break that yolk, mix everything up. That's the proper way to eat it. I think I'm gonna add some fresh cracked black pepper. Now I'm ready to dig in. Guys, this is going to be incredibly delicious. Give this recipe a try. Guys, this is the best way to eat oatmeal. Nice, savory. You taste the mushroom stock. The chili oil is amazing. And I think in the future I should make a chili oil video. But definitely amazing. That runny yolk from the egg just adds another layer of richness to this. This is amazing. That's all I can say about this dish. Utterly, incredibly amazing. All right, guys, so that was our savory oatmeal. Now go ahead and do anything you want to it. You can add chopped cooked bacon to it, breakfast sausage, anything you want. You can even add more vegetables like spinach or potatoes, carrots, whatever you want to add, make it your own. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you like the content, go ahead, smash that like button down below, subscribe. Feel free to leave me comments on what you think about your favorite congee or your favorite congee toppings. Take care of yourselves out there, guys. Be safe, and as always, peace.